I'm sorry for the worries of today, for holding tension in my mind. Please forgive me for not letting go, for the peace I could not find. I release every burden now. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Thank you for this moment here, for this bed beneath my body, for the breath that flows so freely, for the night that holds me gently. I forgive myself for everything, every mistake, every wrong turn. I am learning, I am growing. As I rest, my soul returns. I am worthy of deep rest. I release all that does not serve me. My sleep is healing and restorative. I wake renewed and blessed. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I love you, my tired body. Thank you for carrying me today. Rest now in complete surrender. Healing happens as I lay. I love you, my precious spirit. Thank you for never giving up. Tonight we cleanse all memories, wake refreshed, our hearts filled up. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you.